Watch videos and earn money up to $250 daily. Are you ready to transform your everyday activities into a lucrative opportunity? In this guide, we're going to reveal how you can earn money by watching videos on two exceptional platforms, Quick Rewards and Swagbucks. With the right strategies, you can add a substantial income stream to your life. Let's dive right in. Welcome to the ultimate money-making guide featuring Quick Rewards and Swagbucks. These platforms have collectively paid out millions to users worldwide, making them powerful opportunities for earning money through video consumption. Quick Rewards. Quick Rewards stands as a well-established platform, consistently rewarding users for watching videos since 2002. They've managed to distribute over an astounding $7 million in payouts to their dedicated members. Here's how. Step 1. Sign up for Quick Rewards. Visit the Quick Rewards website by going to quickrewards.net. Click on the Sign Up or Join Now button on the homepage. Step 2. Create your free account. You'll need to provide some basic information to create your account. This typically includes your email address and a password. Fill in the required details. Follow any additional prompts to complete the registration process. Step 3. Explore earning opportunities. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to various earning opportunities on the platform. These may include surveys, games, video watching, and completing offers or shopping online. Step 4. Start watching videos. Look for the section or tab that allows you to watch videos. This might be labeled as Watch Videos, Earn by Watching, or something similar. Click on it to get started. Step 5. Select videos to watch. You'll typically see a list of available videos to watch. Browse through the options and choose a video that interests you. Step 6. Watch the video. Click on the video you've selected and it should start playing. Ensure that you watch the video for the required duration or until you receive credit for it. Some videos may have specific instructions, like interacting with an ad or answering questions afterward. Step 7. Earn rewards. As you watch the video, you'll earn rewards. These rewards are often in the form of points or credits. The amount you earn may vary depending on the length of the video or the specific requirements of the offer. Step 8. Repeat and maximize earnings. You can continue to watch more videos to increase your earnings. Explore different videos or video categories to find the ones that work best for you. Unlike many other platforms, Quick Rewards doesn't typically require you to reach a minimum payout threshold. This means you can cash out your earnings without waiting for them to accumulate to a certain level. And Step 9. Request Payout. When you're ready to cash out your earnings, navigate to the Payout or Cash Out section of the platform. This is where you can request your payment. Quick Rewards often pays via PayPal, so make sure you have a PayPal account linked to your Quick Rewards account. Follow the instructions to request your payout, and you should receive your earnings within 72 hours or as indicated on the platform. Next, Swagbucks. Swagbucks emerges as another highly reputable platform, consistently rewarding users for watching videos. They've proudly claimed to have disbursed close to $1 billion to users like yourself. Here's how. Step 1. Sign up for Swagbucks. Visit the Swagbucks website or download the Swagbucks app from your device's app store. Click on the Sign Up or Join Now button to create your free Swagbucks account. Fill in your details, including your email address and a password. Confirm your email address by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. Step 2. Complete your profile. After signing up, fill out your profile with additional information, such as your demographics and interests. Completing your profile helps Swagbucks match you with relevant earning opportunities. Step 3. Explore earning opportunities. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with various ways to earn SB or Swagbox points. Here are some common earnings methods. A. Watch videos. Click on the Watch section to find video playlists. You earn SB for watching these videos. The progress bar fills up as you watch, and you receive SB when it's complete. B. Take surveys. Visit the Answer section to find available surveys. You can earn SB by providing your opinions and feedbacks. C. Shop online. If you plan to shop online, check the Shop section. Swagbox offers cashback rewards for making purchases through partner retailers. D. Search the web. You can use the Swagbox search engine to earn SB points randomly while browsing. E. Complete offers. Under the Discover section, you'll find offers from Swagbox partners. These often involve signing up for services or trials in exchange for SB. Now we have Step 4. Earn SB points. Start by clicking on one of the earning methods that interests you. Follow the instructions for that activity. For example, if you're watching videos, click on a playlist and let the videos play. For surveys, answer the questions honestly and thoroughly. Step 5. Redeem your SB points. As you accumulate SB points, you can redeem them for various rewards, including gift cards, PayPal cash, or other merchandise. Click on the Redeem Your SB section to choose your desired reward. Maximizing your earnings. To ensure you're making the most out of these opportunities, consider these steps. Take action and share the opportunity. Share your quick rewards and Swagbox experiences with others. Encourage them to sign up and start earning, as both platforms offer referral programs that reward you when your referrals earn. Strategize and multiply your income. Dedicate some time each day to watch videos in both Quick Rewards and Swagbox. Experiment with different video playlists to identify those that yield the most SB points or cash on Quick Rewards. Don't limit yourself to video watching. Explore other earning methods, such as completing surveys or playing games. Set realistic goals. While it's possible to earn $300 a day, achieving this goal may require a significant time investment. Set achievable daily or monthly goals for yourself, whether it's to cover your daily coffee expenses or contribute to a vacation fund. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the latest updates and promotions in both Quick Rewards and Swagbox. These platforms frequently introduce new features and limited time offers that can enhance your earnings. Diversify your income. Consider combining your video watching earnings with other online income streams. Exploring various opportunities can lead to a more substantial overall income. Quick Rewards and Swagbox offer user-friendly ways to earn money by watching videos. With effective time management, you can positively impact your financial situation. Whether you're seeking additional pocket money or aiming for more significant financial goals, these platforms can help you achieve them. Before we wrap up, we strongly encourage you to hit that subscribe button for Profitability Plus. By doing so, you not only stay informed about the latest income-generating strategies, but also play a crucial role in supporting our channel's growth. Your subscription fuels our ability to provide valuable content to viewers like yourself. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive money-making guide. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more income-boosting strategies.